Are you tired of all the stores that just hang things and have no style, and everything's the same? Come to the Purple Iris, 705 South Main Street in Horseheads, where you can't wait to see what comes in next. The charm of the store, as you shop from room to room, makes you enjoy your visit and all its great items. From clothes to shoes, high-end handbags, handmade jewelry, and more, keep our customers coming back from week to week. And if we didn't tell you, you would never know we're a consignment shop that specializes in only the best. You never know what label will come through the door. Why pay the difference if you can't tell the difference? Come and enjoy shopping at the Purple Iris Tuesday through Saturday at 705 South Main Street in Horseheads. Consignments welcome daily.